Open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hi everyone, so thank you so much for unboxing my new M1 MacBook Air laptop with me. So I want to talk about my old laptop from 2013. It's been a struggle with this. I actually haven't been able to edit in this laptop in a while. I just was really holding off to buying a new laptop, and I even have been using a used laptop just because I didn't know if I was ready to make the purchase. I feel like I finally have the chance to actually organize my life in this computer because I am all over the place. So let me know in the comments if you would like a customization video for this new MacBook Air. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would really mean a lot to me, and I will talk to you guys next in my next video. Bye guys.